Hello everybody, today we would like to demonstrate and share the top 5 pro tips and features for this Motorola Razr 2022. So to start off, I would like to show how you can lock your display or screen or system in general with your own fingerprint. So in order for you to set up the fingerprint ID feature, you gotta launch settings, then enter the security category over here. Onwards, go for the fingerprint section, choose what backup screen lock method you would like to use. Basically, you can go for the pattern, pin or password methods. I'll go with the pattern, then draw what pattern you would like to use. After that, redraw it, therefore confirm. Next, choose what notification content will be visible at the lock screen and start the setup procedure. So the sensor is located at the side power button right over here. So in order to enroll your finger, just lay and lift it onto the sensor like so. Already, I've accidentally blocked my phone, which is not a big deal at all. Let me quickly restart the setup procedure. So gently lay and lift your finger onto the sensor. Make sure to slightly rotate it each time you do that, so the entire surface of your finger will be scanned. Make sure to enroll the edges as well. Already, as you can see, my fingerprint has been successfully added. Now I can try using it as my screen unlock method. So I'll just go ahead and test it out. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues or hold-offs at all, very quickly and very reliably. Alrighty, so the next feature that we were to highlight is located at the display category of settings. So let me just go ahead and enter it real quick. It is called the display refresh rate option. Basically, you can switch between two values. Those are 60 and 120 hertz. So basically, if you'll go for the 60 hertz, you'll conserve a battery health. Your battery or your device will run longer on a single charge, while going for the auto mode, which will optimize the screen refresh rate to the 120 Hz, will get you smoother and silkier animations. So choose whatever value fits your current needs best. I recommend that you set it to be auto, and the system will apparently automatically switch the screen refresh rate to the most optimal value for any given moment, basically. Already, moving on to the third feature that we wanted to show you in this video. So basically, as it is apparent, I think the coolest feature that this phone provides you with is this little back screen, flip phone style. And if you would like to customize it, you can do that fairly easily by entering the respective settings page. So you gotta, let me unlock it. So that's the screen. You can open apps from it, use your camera as well. So a very highly functional display. So in order to customize it, you gotta launch settings, then enter the dedicated category that is dedicated, the whole category of settings dedicated to this little screen that is called Quick View Display. In here you can set and change the clock style, set it to be analog, digital, have or have not the calendar, be in different styles, even change the background image. You can even set this little chrono clock, which will tick and vibrate. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it does. So let me just quickly preview it on the quick view display. Yep. You can also furthermore change the, let me get back to the page. You can change the panels that you'll see. You can hold and drag them to rearrange, enable or disable any of the panels that are available over here. Increase or decrease the display size. As well as font size, and set up some custom app behavior as well. Alrighty, so the next tip is the smallest one, I guess. So basically, as you can see right now, in order for me to be absolutely aware of how much power I have left, I gotta swipe downwards and open the notification panel. Here I'll be able to look up the battery health percentage. But if I would like to see it at all times at the right part of my status bar, right next to the battery icon itself, I can simply do that by entering the battery category of settings and switching on this small toggle over here. And as you can see, the battery percentage appears right next to the battery icon, and now I'll be fully aware on how much battery I have left at all times without having to necessarily swiping down this little curtain of notification and control panel. Finally, the fifth feature that we wanted to highlight and show you guys is located at the system category of settings, performance, RAM boost. So by default it is turned off. The default amount of random access memory that you have is 8 GB, as you can see, but by switching on this toggle and restarting the phone, you can increase it and extend it by 2 GB. So instead of 8, you'll get 10. All that you need to do is to switch on this toggle. Right now, in my case, it is enabled, but by default it is not, trust me. So just switch it on by tapping on it like so. You'll see it. You'll see this little switch going from gray to blue, like I have it now, and restart the device by tapping on the restart option. And once you do, you'll get an additional 2 GB of random access memory amount, which is, in my humble opinion, a very cool addition to have, a very cool performance boost that will significantly improve the performance and capacities to begin with of your system. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or suggestions left, do not hesitate to leave them at the comments section below. So thank you so much, and bye bye.